All right, let's talk about how you can merge two columns in Excel. So in column B here we have a bunch of ID numbers, and in column C we have the name. And so we just want to merge column B and C together in column D or in these cells here. So basically the formula that we need to use to merge those all together is a simple concat formula. So all you do here is you select the cell in the first column you want to merge, hit comma, and then select the cell in the second column you want to merge. Then you'll just hit enter. And that will merge the ID and the name together. And if we double click this square in the bottom right corner of the cell, that formula will copy all the way down until it's blank. So here we have all of these cells merged or combined into one. And that's all there is to it. That's how you can merge two columns into one in Excel.